To use an Apple gift card on Roblox, start by opening the App Store on your Apple device. Navigate to the Featured tab and scroll down to the bottom of the page, where you will find the Redeem Gift Card or Code option. Tap on this and sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. Next, enter the gift card code and tap Redeem. The amount will be added to your Apple account balance. Now open the Roblox app on your device and navigate to the Roblox store. Choose the item you want to purchase, such as Robux or a premium subscription, and tap on it. Select the payment method as App Store and choose the correct Apple account. The purchase amount will be deducted from your Apple account balance. If you do not have sufficient funds, you will be prompted to add more money to your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your Apple device is compatible with the Roblox app. Also, be aware of the Roblox terms of service and the Apple gift card terms and conditions. To avoid any issues, ensure that your Apple gift card is valid and has not expired. Additionally, be cautious when making purchases online and keep your Apple account information secure. By following these steps, you can easily use an Apple gift card to make purchases on Roblox. Remember to always check your account balance and transaction history to ensure that your purchases are successful.